it's Rich from Mowers and Blowers Outdone. Psh. Hey, I'm going to take you on a journey through servicing a lawnmower. Now, if you want to service it for yourself or if you want to service it for profit. So what we're going to be doing is a tune-up on a push mower. So what's a tune-up service include? It includes changing the oil, changing the filter, changing the spark plug, sharpening the blades, and just overall cleaning and inspection of the lawnmower. Alright, let's take a look at the lawnmower we're going to do the service on today and all the items needed. Alright, what do we got? What are we looking at? We are looking at a push mower that needs a service done to it. So we are going to do the service of a tune-up today, and it is your standard Briggs Stratton 190cc. This one happens to be put on a Troy-Bilt. So your typical oil is that I use is 5W30 full synthetic motor oil. I am replacing the spark plug in the tune-up. It's a RJ19LM. I am replacing the air filter. We have 13/16 socket, 5/8 socket, typical screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, my safety glasses for sharpening the blades, gloves, and some cleaning solution. So that's what this consists of. So we are going to just take a look at it here. Going to be removing this screw here. This is where your air filter is. So we take that off. We will be taking the oil off. And what you're going to do is, let's see what the oil looks like now. It's not actually too bad. So you do it every year, once a year. And we're just going to tilt this one sideways to drain the oil out, but we're going to let this run for like 5 minutes to heat up the oil. Now what I always do is I take some seafoam, add it down into the oil as it's heating up for 5 minutes, and then you can add a little bit to the gas, seafoam to the gas. When a customer brings over their equipment, I kind of go over it with them, you know, so to make sure that we are doing what they want done. So he wanted a full tune-up, blade sharpen, oil change, filter, spark plug, all that good stuff. In front of the customer, I start it up, make sure it's running good, and then he gives me the go-ahead to do it.